Alright, so what's up, guys? This is vlog number 1, and this is the kickstart of the YouTube channel. So today we just started with church. Now we're at HEB, and today is January 19th.
Yeah, 2025.
2025. It's crazy.
Excuse me.
So we came to HEB, kind of prepare for the snowstorm.
What do you gotta say to the camera?
Huh?
What do you gotta say to the camera? What do you gotta say to the camera?
Always get flowers.
Maybe we find toilet paper. There's a snowstorm coming, so for some reason people just aim for toilet paper first. So we're gonna just make some chilaquiles, and then we'll probably just do a prayer board today, maybe a vision board. But we're gonna eat first, and yeah, I guess that's it for right now. We'll see how the day goes. Oh yeah, so today is Tuesday, January 21st. We came to Des' apartment and we're gonna just work out for a little bit. And as y'all might know, it's snowing in Houston. Kind of crazy. I don't really snow in Houston like this, or at all. So yeah, we're just vlogging for today, and we'll just be getting with some friends and just, I don't know, hanging out in the snow or something. So okay. So we're pretty much done with the workout.
Yeah.
She's dressed like she's a nightclub security.
It's a ninja.
Alright, now we're gonna get ready and go with our friends. So we're currently on the way to our friend's house, and the car is full of snow.
Hey. Oh no.
How do you feel with all this snow?
Like, it's truly beautiful.
Take a bite.
Feels real.
Throw it in there, throw it in there. Oh, I didn't get that.
Bruh.
Someone's
having fun.
Smell like that mid. Okay, buddy. Alright guys, so we just made it to the gas station where our friend's at. Let's go surprise them. They're not even in here.
Bro.
Okay, buddy.
Oh, I didn't bring my wallet, bro.
It's okay.
I forgot my purse.
Oh! What's up, bro? Yeah.
Hot chocolate, French vanilla, and double mocha. What you guys gonna get?
I think I'm gonna go with the French vanilla cappuccino.
But it's hot.
But yeah,
Drink hot.
yes I do.
You like that one, or do you want? She just had it right here.
I let the whatever's there come out.
Same thing, hot chocolate.
Let's see, chat. What should we get, chat? Actually, I'm gonna get one of these. These are fire.
It's not food. Protein shakes are.
It's actually a meal supplement.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. These are my snow boots.
Now do a backflip.
Are
Yeah,
you
follow?
taking pictures?
Yeah. Pictures.
Over there?
No, right over.
Oh, hold this.
Close the door.
Oh, okay. All right. And I got that too.
Where's our recording?
Yeah, you wild for doing that with no gloves. You good.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, let's go. Alright, we're on the mission. Oh, my bad.
Oh, hi. Look, everybody's Destiny there.
What's up, bro?
Hi. Merry Christmas, everybody. For real.
Have we not seen y'all since then?
Huh?
What's up? Have we not seen y'all since then? No, we saw y'all like 2 weeks ago.
yeah. But it feels like Christmas now.
That is true.
We got fucking snow in January.
All late.
Are those Jordans?
What?
Yes, those Jordans. Why are you wearing Jordans in the snow?
I didn't come from home. I didn't have shoes.
I got fucking riding boots on and the stuff. That makes sense.
I'm like the only one. Me and Jahai like the only legit ones
Yeah.
here.
Chris got ready.
Look, I spilled hot chocolate on my car. Oh, dang.
Damn.
Well, if y'all don't leave by the time it freezes, we got fireplaces and extra blankets and pillows.
What time it freezes? What do you mean?
It's supposed to
Hell's
freeze
supposed to
tonight.
freeze over.
So
What?
tonight it's gonna drop back down to like the 19s, below 20s.
Snow?
Everything that's melted is gonna be ice again,
Damn.
and not snow, like legit ice.
So we're gonna go drifting basically.
That's what
shit.
I was doing in the little car earlier. Was drifting.
Oh, that's
That
cool.
was me all the way here.
I'd say we go to over there.
I drifted.
did.
Both me and him drifted out of the driveway, and then all the way over there to do donuts.
For sure.
So what do we have here?
You know, I don't know. I'm just kind of building as I go.
Look, I contribute. Here you go. Here's some more.
No, your snow is dirty. She said she don't want dirty stuff.
No, it's not.
not.
It had grass on it.
No, it's not.
Alright guys, so today we're doing a 24-hour challenge in the snow. First one to survive the cold wins.
Oh, I'm gonna win that easy. I'm already hot.
Ready? Got her? She caught some momentum.
We tried. Alright.
Oh, damn.
Oh!
She got her snowman and left.
Wow.
Damn, I missed. It's so hard. You can still go get it.
Oh. Hey guys, be careful. I'm a civilian, okay?
I'm just what?
I'm a civilian. Friendly fire will not be tolerated. You have been banned. Let's see. How do I go back? I forgot how to go back. Oh, just push myself. Oh, I figured it out. Man. Camera woman.
Get him, Aaliyah, get him! Nice. I was trying to make a snowman. I was trying to make a snowman, they ruined it. Hey, shot. Chris says he's got him.
A big snowball.
Ready, Chris?
I'm gonna bring a
Look,
big
he's gonna run straight
snowball.
into it.
My snowman is legit.
Shit.
Ah! Just do it. You gotta do that. Warriors of the Snowman.
What? For real?
Alright, who's next? Who's next?
On.
Do a 40 roll. Got the infamous Trackhawk here, or famous, or infamous. Do I know you?
No, I'm just a tree that hangs around here. This is my tree. Get off my tree.
So yes, YouTube, this is the girl that's been outside the house for 3 days.
It's been a long 3 days, bro. This is my snowman. I just need the head.
I'm gonna post you on the Nextdoor app.
You'll get in trouble.
TJ, he's just like you.
No, it's just like you.
See the final product?
He might got you.
It's like, it's like a shoe.
Like our snowmen?
Baby snowman. Who are you? Guys, we're coming! My mom's ticket! I'll go next. Ready? I got a sled!
What in the ghetto? What are you? Oh no.
Whoa!
I don't know if it'll work.
Yes.
How?
It'll work.
I got
That one will work.
Which one's
Like
mine?
on your knees or something?
Which one am I gonna use?
Ain't no way. Yeah, cuz.
That definitely didn't work.
Ready? Got it?
Not her!
Wait, you can't get me if I'm holding on to cat. You can't get me if I'm holding on to cat. I'm sorry. I didn't do that on purpose. You got that? And that's pretty much it for the vlog, guys. So if you stayed all the way to the end of the video, I mean, it wasn't really like much going on in the vlog, but I just want to take the initiative to start recording something. So if you actually watched it all, I appreciate that. And just comment like what type of content you guys usually watch, and I'll try to record different stuff and just kind of find my style and see what kind of content I would like to start recording. So just leave a comment, suggestions on what I should do, what I should record, and how I should base the channel. So I'll see you guys shortly when I post the next video. Thanks.